Find the value of x for the given figure. So, meron tayong composite figure dito. By the way, yung dimensions nitong figure is not drawn into scale. So, meron tayong composite figures and kung mapapansin natin, ito ay composed ng different right triangles. So, hanapin daw natin yung dimension nitong x, itong side na to, given yung mga other dimension, we have 3.4, 10.3, 2.1, 2.0. So, having said na meron tayong mga right triangles, pwede natin i-apply yung Pythagorean theorem. So, mag-start tayo doon sa right triangle na pwede nating makuha yung missing part. So, obviously, itong right triangle na to, pwede nating hanapin itong side, which is its hypotenuse, right? So, let's say, denote ko by D itong hypotenuse nitong right triangle. So, by Pythagorean theorem, sum of the squares of the legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So, therefore, yung dalawang legs natin dito is yung perpendicular sides, 3.4 tsaka 10.3. So, finding the D, that's equal to 3.4 square plus 10.3 square is equal to D square. Again, sum of the squares of the legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. And then, para ma-solve natin si D, square root lang natin both sides. Okay? So, magiging D na lang is equal to the square root of 3.4 square plus 10.3 square. Okay? Gamit na lang kayo dyan ng calcu kasi it will be a decimal value. Okay? Ang masasolve nating value dyan is 10.85 to decimal place. So, the D is 10.85. So, meron na tayong value ng D na 10.85. And then, next is, pwede kong kuhain, considering itong gitnang right triangle, pwede kong kuhain itong side niya. This time, ang given is yung hypotenuse niya na D, tapos itong isang leg na 2.1. Unknown leg yung nawawala. So, let's denote this by Y naman. So, by Pythagorean theorem, ang equation natin dyan is y square plus 2.1 square is equal to D square, which is yung nakuha natin is 10.85 square. So, solving for y, that's equal to y square transpose si 2.1 square dito sa kanan, sa magiging 10.85 square. From positive, magiging minus 2.1 square. Then, get the square root of both sides. So, magiging square root ng 10.85 square minus 2.1 square. Again, gamit tayo ng calculus. Okay, ito yung makukompute nating value, approximately 10.64. So, y is 10.64. And then, finally, masasolve na natin yung x. So, y now is 10.64 using this right triangle. Yung last right triangle. So, nawawala is x, which is the leg. So, given is yung hypotenuse y at isang leg na given 2.0. So, using Pythagorean theorem again, we will have x square plus 2.0 square is equal to the y, which is yung nakuha natin, 10.64 y square. So, 10.64 square. And then, solving this equation for x, so again, transpose natin tong 2.0 square sa kanan, magiging x square is equal to 10.64 square minus 2.0 square. Then, get the square root of both sides. Masasolve nating value ng x is square root ng 10.64 square minus 2.0 square. Okay. Using calculator, ang makompute nating value ng x is 10.45. So, therefore, the value of the unknown side x is approximately 10.45.